Have you been farming airdrops and hoping to get free crypto as the bull run is near? Here is an opportunity lasting only a few hours today. Gotta act now and fast. Welcome to the Blocks of Wealth channel, where we share ways to earn free crypto on the internet. If this is your first time on here, you are most welcome. Do like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get on notification when we post daily. To our amazing existing subscribers, we appreciate you and trust the posts are valuable to you. Today we bring you Binance-backed project with limited time to get in. It is the Playbux NFTs drop, is worth exclusive NFTs based on the total points you earn plus the opportunity to win a $10,000 brick prize pool. Playbux is a blockchain-based exchange that integrates real-life cashback points and consumer experiences with metaverse activities. Playbux can engage users of MyCashback, which operates a cashback solution for the world's largest telco and wallet companies. Playbux has officially been selected for Season 4 of the Binance Labs incubation program. And it is on the BNB blockchain, so you gotta seize the opportunity now. Before we proceed, please remember the minimum requirement is that you must have at least 5 followers on your XOE Twitter account. Here's how to claim in step-by-step guide for Playbux NFTs airdrop before it ends. First, click on the link in the description. Next, confirm you are not a robot and solve the CAPTCHA. After that, on the Playbux NFTs drop page, sign up with your Gmail account. Here, I'm going to sign up using my Google account. Next, after logging in, you'll discover that your Gmail login has been checked. After you sign in with your X or Twitter account, remember to authorize the app to gain access to your Twitter accounts. After granting access with your X or Twitter account, you will observe that the tasks have been checked with a green tick. If you however do not find the green thick check mark on the task, repeat the Twitter sign-in and authorization process again. Now, it's time to perform the various tasks for all the quests. Ensure you are using the X or Twitter app to carry out the task. Southwest is not to close the page for the quest. You must complete tasks to earn points. It will be noteworthy to note that for every point you get, you have a second opportunity to win a $10,000 brick prize pool. Remember to read the terms and conditions, the eligibility criteria and all information available, right on the page. Once you're done reading through the terms and conditions, check the box that I have read and agree. Now let's begin the first task. You need to follow Playbux on Twitter or X. You follow by clicking and open up your Twitter to follow. Next, you repost, click on repost tweet on X or Twitter and repost the tweet. After that, next, you follow the Vapor wallet on X. Next, you have to follow Sport2Win on X or Twitter. Next task is to follow Bet45 on X/Twitter. After that, you follow Toady on X or Twitter. The next task will be to join Playbux on Discord. If you encounter an issue saying that the invite link has expired, just click and go back to the quest page and try again. If the error message repeats, just move on with the quest. Next tasks is to join Playbux on Telegram. Click on the link and ensure you're following on Telegram. Last task is to follow Playbux on Medium. If you do not have a Medium account, create one and sign up. Once all the 12 tasks are done, you would observe that you have a green check or tick on all tasks that have been done correctly. Finally, click Claim Lotto Tickets and share your link with your friends. We will keep you updated with development on this project and the Binance-backed Playbux drop. Please remember to subscribe, like and share this video. We will see you soon in our next post.